Confidence. Say it with me. Confidence. One more time. Confidence. It's all about confidence, and it's my job to help you get a little more of that incredibly life-changing feeling. Confidence is the most critical thing that we need in order to kick life's ass. There's nothing more important in my opinion, but the truth is there's no magic formula. What makes me feel incredibly good and confident is going to be different than what makes you feel confident. The other important thing to know about confidence, it's not a zero-sum game. It's not either you're confident in every single aspect of your life or you're not. You can be confident in certain areas and totally insecure in others. But there are a few things that are incredibly common when it comes to guys feeling insecure. And so today, I'd like to go over 6 things that you can do today to feel more confident in these confidence-killing areas. Number 1 is all about success, feeling successful. And that's one of the things that, as men, a lot of us struggle with, right? We feel like we're underperforming, we're not as successful as we'd like to be. Quick, confident fix, daily goals. As in, write down 1 daily goal to start. Not 10, not 27, 1. This goal needs to be obtainable. It can't be like totally like, I want to lose 50 pounds today. Unless you cut off your legs, that ain't happening. Small goals that you can actually accomplish. Maybe it's, I want to go to the gym. I want to call my mother. And by each day accomplishing the goal that you set out to accomplish, it's going to do wonders to boost your self-esteem and ultimately your confidence. 2 is physical appearance. A lot of times we as men feel very insecure about the way that we look. So a few things that you can do in order to correct that immediately is A, start working out. Some other things that you can do is revitalize your wardrobe. Clean out your wardrobe of items that you do not like, that do not fit, and then systematically buy additional pieces that are going to make you feel great about what you're wearing. Once a week or once a month or however often you can afford, go out and actually replace something old with something new that fits you and looks incredible. Third, insecurity that a lot of guys struggle with is sexual insecurity. Some guys are a little bit concerned that it's not, and by it I mean it is not as grande. Don't worry about the size. I'm telling you, the only person that's worried about it is you. Take your time. As long as it works, you're cool. But unfortunately, 52% of us are going to experience some degree of erectile dysfunction in our life. And that's why I'm so incredibly excited to talk about today's video sponsor, Roman. There are 3 main categories of erectile dysfunction, or ED. Number 1, you can't get it up. Number 2, you can't keep it up. Or number 3, you don't have as much sexual desire as you should. Why does it happen? Really, there are 2 reasons, physical and emotional. Erectile dysfunction is sort of like your car's check engine light, right? Something is going on physically or emotionally that is causing the erectile dysfunction. The unfortunate thing though is that only 25% of guys that are experiencing ED actually do anything about it. And it doesn't just affect you, it affects your partner. It's affecting both people. And that's why I'm so incredibly excited to talk to you about Roman. Roman handles everything from diagnosis to prescription delivery. And the other cool thing is that it's more affordable than you're going to be able to go out and actually buy a lot of these treatments from your doctor, because most erectile dysfunction treatments are not covered by insurance. And just going online and trying to buy it from some sketchy site is an absolute disaster and not safe, because 80% of online Viagra sales are actually counterfeit. Roman is changing the way that men treat their erectile dysfunction. It's discreet, it's easy, it's affordable, and it's safe. With Roman, you get access to licensed physicians that are going to review your treatment request and then prescribe you something online. If you're somebody who's experiencing some degree of erectile dysfunction, guys, hit that link down below, GetRoman.com/alpha, and get your first month of treatment absolutely free. That's GetRoman.com/alpha. Free. Hit it now, get it done. 4th biggest insecurity that a lot of guys have that affects their confidence is not feeling like they're good enough. Socially, right? Everybody else seems to be doing amazing things, have more stuff, have better times, have better relationships. The cure, the fix, detox from social media. I know for myself, when I was spending a lot of time on Facebook or Instagram looking at everybody's fabulousness, I started to feel bad about myself, like I was missing out, like I wasn't good enough, like everybody had this incredible, super fantastic life, and I was just kind of living, right? And dealing with life stresses and the issues that you deal with life. And I detoxed. I took myself off of Facebook for the most part. I felt incredible because I think I stopped comparing myself to other people and what they were doing and all sorts of stuff, and almost like instantly I felt better and more confident about me. Number 5 is financial, all right? How many of you out there feel a little bit like not exactly confident about your financial situation? Money is one of the things that absolutely hurts us in terms of confidence. And so the solution, work on your resume. The simple act of updating your resume is incredible what it does for the psyche. It makes you feel better. It makes you feel empowered. But when you get into a job and you get into a rut where you're kind of just grinding it out and not really loving what you're doing and just making a salary, it can be daunting and a little bit depressing. Guys, take action, take control, get yourself the job you deserve. And last but certainly not least, the 6th thing that you can do to automatically, instantaneously feel better, more confident about yourself is subscribe to AlphaM. It is an undisputable fact that people that are subscribed to the AlphaM YouTube channel feel better, more confident, almost instantaneously. But you gotta have that bell notification turned on as well, so you don't miss any of the incredible confidence boosting advice or videos I deliver. Gentlemen, thanks for watching. You are amazing. Remember it, believe it, embody it, and say it with me one more time. What's the word? Confidence! It's all about confidence and spin jumps.